Hey guys, welcome to iTechsavyy. So Apple has just announced its latest software update for iPhones, which is iOS 14. We have already seen some really cool features in WWDC. I have also made a video on that. So if you want to watch it, I have added the link in the description and also in the cards. And today I am going to tell you that how you can install iOS 14 beta profile in your iPhones. I recommend you to back up your phone before doing this. So before starting, I would like to give you some warnings. Updating to a beta profile will void your warranty, but what you can do is that take a backup of your device so that in case anything happens, you can easily restore it to its original state. Also, phones running iOS beta profiles might take much more battery and you might see some lag in your phone also. Okay guys, so let's get started. So first you need to open Safari and search for iOS beta profiles. I will also provide the link in the description so you can directly go and access it from there. Okay, so as soon as the website is open, it would require some permissions, so allow them, and then it would pop up a message that profile is downloaded. After that, close Safari and open settings. Go to general, scroll down and go to profiles. Here you will see iOS 14 beta profile. Click on that and then click on install. It would require your passcode. Now it would give you a warning message which I have already given you. So you can directly click on install. Then you need to restart your phone. After your phone restarts, go back to setting and open software update in general. Now you can see that your phone has an update for iOS 14 beta profile. So simply click on download and install. After this is done, you will see update requested, and then your update will start downloading, and then you need to carry on as you do normally. Install the software once download is complete. And now your phone is running on iOS 14 beta profile. I hope that you like the new beta profile. Now go ahead and explore iOS 14. If you want to know some of the features, you can refer to my last video. I will add a card up here. I will add the link in the description and also in the cards. Also, I will be coming up with a video in which I will be covering all the things changed in iOS 14. So that's it for today guys. I hope you liked the video and I was able to help you. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Also, please like, comment and share the video. And make sure you are following all our social media handles. Thank you guys, stay tuned, stay safe.